Good morning. In this tutorial, I'll be discussing how you can access Google Drive, how you can find the folder that I've shared with you for this course, how to upload or create a document in Google Drive, and how to access the feedback that I will be leaving for you. So you'll start by logging into mydtcc.edu, and on the Resources tab, you'll find the Technology box and click Google Drive. Every student at Delaware Tech has a Google Drive account. It's already created and associated with your dtcc.edu email address. However, if you haven't been using it, you probably won't have anything here. So what you'll do is you'll go over here to the left-hand side and click Shared with Me. You should see a folder that has your name and ENG 101 or ENG 102 or whatever the course may be. If you don't see anything here, it could be that you're logged into Google using your personal Gmail account. So over here on the right-hand corner, you'll be able to see your profile account information, and you can switch between various accounts if you need to. So that's one troubleshooting option if you're having trouble. If you still can't find the folder, certainly email me and I'll see what I can do on my end to help you find it. Once you go into the folder, what you'll see is a selection of blank rubrics that I've preloaded into everyone's folder at the beginning of the semester. From here, you'll need to upload or create a document when it's time for you to submit an assignment. So if you want to create the assignment right in Google Drive, you can do that by clicking New, Google Doc, which gives you a blank word processing document, very similar to Word if you're used to working in the Word program. If you want to actually work in Word, then you can do that and then save the document somewhere on your computer and go to New, File, Upload, and then you can just select the document that you want and upload it into the folder. It's okay if it's a Word icon instead of a Google icon. That's an easy conversion that I can make, and it won't affect whether or not I can access your document. You can also upload a PowerPoint or an Excel document if you need to for some reason, or you can create those things using the Google Suite of services. So once you've uploaded a document as an assignment for this course, I will then be able to go in and provide feedback right on that document. So on the right-hand side, you'll see some different comments and some different editing that I might have done. In this case, I've made a comment about this highlighted text. Here, I have deleted this text, and then here I've added in a word, and then added some additional comments. So you can view your assignment submission and my comments immediately after I've made those comments. In order to get the actual grade for this assignment, I will use the rubric that's loaded, and I'll highlight the rubric elements and give you the grade right here. So that's an easy way for me to provide you with both feedback and a grade immediately. We don't have to worry about saving it as a PDF and emailing it to you and whether you can open it or not. So this is a seamless way for you to share documents with me and for me to share feedback with you. So you'll be able to upload various documents of different types into this folder. I'll be able to provide your feedback and your grades right back in this folder, and hopefully it will be a fairly user-friendly way for us to exchange or for us to communicate over the course of the semester. As always, please let me know if you have any questions or if you run into any trouble or if you need any help with anything. Thank you and have a great day.